Hi everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. Don't throw your clothes away just because they're damaged. Sometimes, a simple hand stitch can bring them back to life, and even make them more beautiful than before. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 beautiful hand stitches that can fix holes and decorate them at the same time. First, we start with Sashiko mending, a traditional Japanese stitching style known for its geometric patterns and calming, repetitive rhythm. It doesn't just repair the fabric, it adds texture, structure, and quiet character. Can you guess how I'm going to repair this hole? We're using darning stitches, a technique focused on patience and detail. By weaving thread back and forth, you're actually rebuilding the missing fabric itself. It takes patience, but the result is strong, neat, and incredibly satisfying. Let's see the final result together. How do you like the darning result today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love little fixes like this, please like and share the video. Thanks a lot for being here. Finally, we'll use decorative embroidery stitches to fix the hole. Simple, popular, but always eye-catching. These stitches don't just hide the damage, they turn it into a highlight. Because sometimes, damage isn't the end of a garment, it's the beginning of its story. So don't go anywhere, stay till the end to see how these embroidery stitches beautifully fix the hole. By the way, there's a little special moment waiting at the end of this video. I left a small behind-the-scenes clip for you. Because in real life, stitching isn't always as smooth and perfect as it looks on camera. There are tiny slips, missed stitches, and a few clumsy seconds too. But that's the fun part, the real, human side of making something by hand. So don't miss the ending. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy sewing tips and creative mending ideas. I hope this inspired you to repair, not replace, and I'll see you in the next video.